morning, children. In the chapter Long and Short, last time we learnt about the standard as well as the non-standard units of measurement, right? Of measuring length. Today I'm going to teach you how to measure the length with the help of a scale as well as with the help of a measuring tape. This I'm going to do by focusing my things like the pencils and scales so that you can understand very clearly. Right? So let's start. I'm sure, children, all of you would have seen a scale like this. This has equal divisions and you can see each division is equal to 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. From here to here it is 1 centimeter. From this division to this division it is 1 centimeter. Every 1 centimeter has been divided further into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each division is equal to 1 millimeter. So children, this is a standard scale. Now this type of scale, whether you buy from Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai, Agra, wherever, each scale will have divisions at same distance. To show this one thing, I will keep another scale here and show it to you. See children, this steel scale, it starts from 0 here. Okay, let me keep it. Its 0 is here coinciding with this 0, and if you see 16 is coincided with 16, 23 is coinciding with 23, and 30 is coinciding with 30. So these two scales are exactly the same. Now children, to measure any object, we keep one end of the object coinciding with 0 and then we see where does the other end lie. For example, I will take different pencils, measure them and show to you. Look at this pencil. To measure this pencil, I have kept one end of this pencil along the 0 of the scale. Let us see where does this pencil end. This is 11 centimeter and after 11 centimeter it has reached the 5th division. It means this pencil is 11 centimeter and 5 millimeter long. We also say it is 11.5 centimeter long. Both the things mean the same. 11 centimeter 5 millimeter or 11.5 centimeter. Now I am going to show you another pencil. Let us see what is the length of this pencil. Okay children, now one end is at 0 and the other end, this is 17 centimeter. This is 5th division, 6th, 7th, 8th. So this is 17 centimeter and 8 millimeter or 17.8 centimeter long. This is how we measure any object like pencils or any other long object. Okay children, now I am going to teach you. Suppose you have a scale which is a broken scale and you want to measure something with a broken scale. The 0 is not there. Suppose that is the case. So you have to measure this envelope, the length of this envelope. So what you can do, you can keep the envelope on any division, maybe the 5th division. So I have kept this envelope on the 5th division, and now for me this is 0. So I will start counting from here. This for me, this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this is 16 centimeter and 6 millimeter. So the length of this envelope is 16 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Also, what you can do, you can subtract 21.6 and 5. 21.6 minus 5 will give you 16.6. So this is how we can measure the length of the envelope when it is not lying on 0. It is lying on some other division. This is how we are supposed to do it. Look at this. This is a measuring tape. This is quite long. You can see it is quite long. This measuring tape also has equal divisions. These small divisions which you can see, this is from here, the 0 is there, then 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and so on. These divisions are in inches. We are not going to study inches in this class. We are going to study centimeter. Okay, now you can see that these are centimeters. So children, 100 such centimeters is 1 meter. Okay, I am going to show it to you. Keep watching carefully. It will go out of your screen also. You can see 34, and now this is 50, and this is 70, and this is 80, and this is 90, and this is 100. This is 100 centimeter. So this much of tape is 1 meter. Okay, let me show it to you how much of tape is 1 meter. See children, this length of the tape till here, till my thumb, starting from here till here, this is 1 meter. And how much is 1 centimeter? That I am going to show it to you. See children, from this division to this division, where 3 is written and where 4 is written, this length, only this length is 1 centimeter, and this complete tape starting from here till here, it is 1 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now children, I am going to cut a ribbon. First I will cut 1 centimeter, then I will cut 1 meter and show the difference between 1 centimeter and 1 meter to you. So children, look at this yellow ribbon. I have tried to cut it equal to 1 centimeter. The length of this ribbon is 1 centimeter. Now you look at this big ribbon. The length of this big ribbon is 1 meter. Now children, the way I have shown you the measuring tape, you also pick up any ribbon or any waste, string or anything from your house. Take the help of your parents and cut 1 centimeter as well as 1 meter and see the difference between the two. 100 such small ribbons, when they join, they make this 1 meter ribbon. So children, this is 1 meter and this is 1 centimeter. So children, I hope you would have understood the difference between 1 centimeter and 1 meter. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.